Let's talk about body language in public speaking, shall we? Now, I know what you're thinking. Body language? Isn't that just a fancy way of saying don't stand like a pretzel? Well, yes and no. It's so much more than that. Your body is like a canvas, and your message is the masterpiece. So, let's dive into the art of posture and movement. First up, let's chat about posture. Imagine you're a superhero. Yes, I said superhero. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your chest out. This is known as an open posture. It not only makes you look confident, but it also sends a message to your audience that you're ready to take on the world. Think of it as your invisible cape flapping in the wind. When you stand like this, you're inviting your audience in, making them feel like they're part of your adventure. Now let's explore the opposite end of the spectrum, the closed posture. You know, the classic, I'm a turtle retreating into my shell look. This is when you cross your arms or hunch your shoulders. While it might feel cozy, it's a surefire way to create a barrier between you and your audience. They'll be thinking, is this person hiding something, or are they just really, really cold? So if you want to connect with your listeners, let's ditch the turtle act and embrace that superhero stance. But wait, there's more. It's not just about standing tall, it's also about how you move. Think of your movements as the punctuation in your speech. Moving around the stage can be a powerful tool, but it's all about intention. If you're pacing back and forth like a caged lion, your audience might start to wonder if you're rehearsing for a marathon instead of delivering a speech. Instead, think of your movement as a way to connect with different parts of your audience. Take a step forward when you're making a strong point, and then retreat a bit when you're inviting them to reflect. This creates a dynamic flow that keeps everyone on their toes, literally. So to wrap it all up, remember that body language is a crucial part of public speaking. Stand tall, use your hands wisely, move with purpose, and connect with your audience through eye contact. And if you want to dive deeper into mastering these skills, check out Learn Lingo for more tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to becoming a public speaking pro starts now.